Hi there, in this video, you will learn about how to bulk add members to Google Group using xFanatical Foresight. Managing Google Group members is tedious when adding multiple users one by one in the admin console. It's time-consuming, repetitive, and error-prone. That's where xFanatical Foresight comes in. With xFanatical Foresight automation, admins can bulk add members in just a few clicks. The process is automated, reducing errors, saving time, and boosting productivity with faster onboarding and smoother collaboration. Let's dive in and see how it works. Sign into xFanatical Foresight with your Google admin account. Go to the Templates page. Search Bulk Add Group Members template and click on it. In the Bulk Add Group Members page, click Copy Rule. For the first-time use of the template rule, and dialog action needed will display requesting necessary permissions required to copy the rule. Click Connect with Google and authorize the permissions. Upon authorization, a dialog titled Copy of Bulk Add Group Members will display. Click on the Next button, then click on the Review button. In the Review screen, customize the rule name and click on the Create button. The rule is created in the Rules page. Verify automation. Go to the Templates page. Search Bulk Add Group Members template. Click on the Download Sample CSV file button. Or if you set up automation from scratch, please just use the CSV file which you have created. Customize the file with member emails and their respective group emails. Go back to the Rules page. Click on the Upload icon of Copy of Bulk Add Group Members rule. Upload the CSV file created and wait until you receive a success notification. Click the notification icon and click on View Log button. In the log screen, you can see member email and group email. It's simple and easy. If you have yet to install Foresight, apply for a 14 days trial. If you like our video, hit the thumbs up. Also, subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell icon to get notifications about the news, trends, and products that help you manage your business very well. To learn more, please visit xfanatical.com.